In the last video, we have completed the StreamBuilder implementation for our landing page. And before we move on, I want to tell you a bit more about StreamBuilder. And we have learned earlier that when we declare streams, we can specify the type of the items that they will contain. And we can do exactly the same with StreamBuilder. So over here, I can better document my StreamBuilder by saying that it works with values of type user, like this. So with this change, the compiler can help me if I use the wrong type. So for example, here I could type in string instead, like this, and I can see immediately that I get two error lines because string doesn't match with the type of the stream and also with the type of snapshot.data. Okay, so I can now revert this to user. The next thing that I want to mention is that in addition to stream and builder, StreamBuilder can also take an optional argument called initial data. And this is a way to ensure that the builder is called with the initial data that we pass in. So if we specify an initial data, then we don't need to check if snapshot.hasData is true, because the first snapshot.data will hold the initial data that we passed in. And this is something that might be useful in some cases. For now, we have decided to show a circular progress indicator until we receive the first data value on the stream, and so we don't need to use initial data here. The next thing I want to talk about is the snapshot object. And we have already seen how to use snapshot.hasData and snapshot.data, but if we want more fine-grained control on the connection state of the stream, we can inspect a variable called snapshot.connectionState. And so I can tab through to reveal the documentation, and here I can learn that connection state gives me more detailed information about the state of the stream. So I could use this to know if I'm still waiting for the first value on the stream, or if I've already received the first value, or if the stream is done and is not going to emit any more events. Okay, so I can get back to the landing page, and the last thing that I want to talk about is how to detect stream errors. So to do that, I can use my snapshot and type in snapshot.hasError. And to get the error, I can use snapshot.error, like this. And if you remember, when we talked about stream controllers, we discovered that it is possible to add errors to a stream. And the way we get access to these when we are using a stream builder is by accessing them through the snapshot property. Okay, so this completes our overview of stream builder. And as we make progress with this course, we will see more examples of how to use it. For now, what I want to point out is that streams are fundamentally asynchronous. So every time we use them with StreamBuilder, we need to ask ourselves in what possible state our stream can be in, and use the properties in Style Snapshot to ensure that we always handle the various possible cases in our builder. So to summarize, with StreamBuilder, we can provide an initial value, we can get the snapshot data with hasData and data, we can inspect the connection state of the snapshot, and we can check for errors with hasError and error. Okay, so we're now ready to continue, and we'll do that in the next video.